And the rope title, Speed of the Wind, looking for the leader. Speed of the Wind takes up the running, followed by Art of Time. And running in third title, step on the gas, Power Over, then followed by Bloodline and Dragon May. Going along for the first turn, Speed of the Wind, high bowling in front, leads by some 3 lengths. Title right behind in second. Art of Time is racing third, down in fourth is Step on the gas, Power Over is next on line, Bloodline, while Dragon May now running in the tail of the fielder. Down the half mile they travel, Speed of the Wind leads by some 2.5 plot, followed by Tidal and Art of Time coming close now in third. Power Over moving up now to take fourth. Down in fifth, Step on the gas, running in 6 Bloodline. Inside the last 600, Speed of the Wind hanging on with a 2 lengths lead. Tidal coming close now in second. Out of time. Here comes Power Over. And towards the last 300, Speed of the Wind and Tidal moving up now the outside. Speed of the Wind, Tidal on the outside, Power Over. And moving up Out of Time. It's now Tidal, Power Over on the outside. Tidal, Power Over on the outside, but still Tidal, and finally, it's going to be Tidal. Power Over, start on gas, Bloodline, Out of Time, Speed of the Wind, Dragon May.
Tidal, drawing first blood, 3-1-4-6.